Nature is made up of our environment. Nature provides us peace of mind and heart. Nature provides us all the material that is required for our survival. Nature provides us food and shelter. The beauty of nature provides us relief from the worries of life. Nature provides medicine. We are destroying nature by pollution. Industrialization has destroyed our nature to great extent. There should be some campaigns to restore our nature. We should plant trees to save nature. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.